Today we'll have a look at the different types of tasks you can add to your usability test on Loop11. Once you've created a project and selected the project format, the next step is to add your tasks and questions. On Loop11, there are 3 types of tasks: standard tasks, time-bound, and first click. A standard task is your basic task that doesn't have any specific restraints. For example, you could ask the participant to locate specific information, add an item to a shopping cart, or to fill out a form. For example, imagine you are looking to buy a pair of wireless headphones for your workouts. Browse through the website, explore the available options, and select a pair that you find appealing. Add the chosen headphones to your cart and proceed to the checkout page. Please think aloud as you go through the process. A time-bound task allows you to set a time limit for your participants. For example, you have a limited amount of time to find information about the warranty policy for the headphones you are interested in. Locate the warranty details on the website within 2 minutes. If you cannot find the information within the given time, please make a note of where you expected it to be. A first click task only records the user's first click, after which the task is closed. For example, you are interested in reading customer reviews before making a purchase decision. Click on the first link you think would lead you to customer reviews of headphones. So those are the 3 types of tasks. Now let's look at how to set them up. To set up a task, click New Task. Here you can enter the name of the task. This is only for your internal use, as participants won't see this title. Next, write the task scenario here. Here are a few tips on how to write a good task. Clarity and simplicity. Ensure that tasks are clear, concise, and easy to understand. Participants should know exactly what is expected of them without any confusion. User-centric scenarios. Frame tasks from the user's perspective. Align tasks with realistic scenarios that users commonly encounter, focusing on their goals and motivations. Think aloud guidance. Encourage participants to think aloud during the tasks. This provides valuable insights into their thought process and helps uncover usability issues more effectively. Remember, this handy AI assist tool is here if you need some help with the writing. After you've written your task scenario, select the type of task it is. If you select time-bound, you'll need to enter the time limit in seconds. Next, either input the URL the task will start on, or upload an image. Remember, with Loop11 you can test anything from websites to wireframes and prototypes, even static images. Preview your task by clicking the eye up here. Click Save to finish. And that's how you add a task. In our next video, we'll look at question types and how to add questions. Happy testing!